So this is a Samsung washing machine. The dispenser is very dirty. The drawer, the dispenser compartment. Then it's making a lot of noise. The drum is noisy. Let me. So I'll be opening it up. Drum is noisy. Let us remove the belt. That is the model number of the machine. So this is the belt. The belt number is 1270. Here's the belt. And yeah, it's making a lot of noise. So I'll be opening it up and repair the damages. So keep watching. For our next video, you will see how it looks like from the inside and what the damages are. Thank you for watching.